Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how you can crop part of a picture that you don't want. Let's dive in. First, right click on the picture you want to crop. This will show you the crop menu. Click on the crop. Following that, you will see a small brackets on the corners of the picture. Click on one of these corners. Then hold and drag it towards the part of the picture you want to keep. Let's do that. I'll stop here. I also want to remove part of this picture, so I'll do the same thing. Click on it on this corner, hold and drag it until you reach the part of the picture you want to keep. Let's do it again. When I finish cropping, click outside. This will make the picture cropped. That's it. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more insightful, simple tutorials, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.